Take a moment to check out the 2019 Nissan Titan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. You'll love the comfort of this handsome Titan. Its serene cabin, luxurious seating, and quick acceleration elevate every excursion. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control, rear-wheel drive, split bench seat, traction control. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.